In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to share an Instagram post on my own story. So let's get started right away. This is one of the most easiest sort of like features or options on Instagram. And yeah, let's get started. So yeah, all we need to do is go to our home page or explore page or whatever. And you basically just want to go to a post you like. For example, let's say this one right here. We just want to click on the send button as if you send it to a friend or a group chat. But instead of sending it to someone like this, we want to click on add post to your story. This will add it to your story. And you can move it wherever you want. You can make it bigger, you can make it smaller. You can click on it like this. You can even change the background. For example, if you want green, you long hold on the background and just like this, it changes. You can draw something. So that is all you have to do. That's basically it. So now we're going to add it to our story, and we'll just have to wait for a bit to load it up. And as you can see, the story is now on on my story. So that is basically it. So I hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like and let me know in the comments if it worked. And I'll see you next time. Have a good day.